pops, John with a spoon. You got ops, I got them too. We got thoughts, they gon' come through. Spin the block, she won't come too. Call me Pop.
So this video is very much pointless, but I decided to just do a video just to get it out. And right now I'm just putting Cantu in my hair, getting ready for work or whatever.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch.
So can we please just like take a moment to just get in tune with this laces, period. Right now I'm just going in with some LA Pro Girl concealer under my eyes and then following with a tad bit of Fenty Beauty in the color 410, and I'm just buffing that out with my off-brand beauty blender. Next I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer under my eyebrows. This is after I filled them in a little bit with my Anastasia in the color Ebony. I looked crazy, so that's why I cut the clips out. But yeah, now I'm just putting some Fenty Beauty powder under my eyes. I don't really know what kind of powder it is, like the flavor, I guess. I don't know off the top of my head, but I'll put it in the description. Lastly, I just went in with some mascara and some highlight, and that was pretty much the whole look. I ended up not going to work with it. So because I never got to take any pictures or videos after I finished, I just decided to insert some clips that I took later that night.
You can have my